Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, oh empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create this low braided ponytail. And before I move further, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for your support. You guys have been so amazing. Like, I wouldn't have gone this far without you guys. You guys rock. And like I said, it has 5 pre-stretched attachments on them, so I'm not using all. I'm just gonna use 1.5 to making this sleek braided low ponytail. So I'm just wondering, should I do a high ponytail or a low ponytail? Well, let's find that out. So I started by parting my hair in the middle like so, and then brushing it all the way through. Yeah, I know some of you guys should be like, you didn't section your hair in parts and then put it in ponytail. Well, I just had to do what I had to do because I wanted this tutorial to be as quick as possible. So this is the product I'm using to put my hair in place. Now I just like this product because it just blends really well with my hair, and it just, you know, once you apply it, your hair just slip all the way through. So this works for me. If you have something else you want to use to put your hair in place, you can actually do that as well. So I'm actually bringing out those for my baby hairs. So that is all. So you guys just watch, and I'm sure you definitely enjoy the rest of the video. Don't mind my baby, she just keeps interrupting my voiceover. So guys, here I am parting my hair, like putting it in a low bun. So I hope you guys really love this video. If you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? Like, you want to see more of my videos, and I'm sure you want to see more of me also. So hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. So yeah, this is how I did my baby hairs. Nothing serious. So I'm still trying my best to do this well. I don't know if I'm really good, but I do see some people how they slay their edges, like, wow, these guys are really professional. But anyways, this is me. This is how I do mine. So yeah, we have all these done, and then we're gonna proceed to using the darling braiding hair. I said this is just 1.5. I used just 1.5. I didn't. That's from the 5 pieces. I just took 1.5, and that is all. I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want it to so bulky on my hair. And yeah, one thing about this darling braiding hair is because of how it looks so more like her human hair, although it is not. But I just like the look and I like the feel, and because it is also pre-stretched. So this is how I created this ponytail. Like, it is so easy, guys. It's so easy. You can do this as well if you follow the procedures. You'll be able to make this by yourself. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up now because I've been talking too much. I'm gonna shut up now so that you guys can enjoy the rest of the video. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. be showing you how to make this lazy girl hairstyle. So this is the extension that I'm using. This is a braid extension, and it's actually Expression brand. So I just took it out from the pack like that. I didn't have to cut or pre-stretch anything like so. So right after I took it from the pack, I'm just dividing it like so, and then I'm just gonna twist one part, and then I'm gonna twist the other part, just like as though I'm creating a twist, just like you can see on the screen already. So guys, I didn't have to stretch this because when I brought this out from the pack, it had some little ends, so I didn't have to like stretch it to have that finished look. So when I got to the end of the twist, I just basically just weave it instead of twisting it. You're gonna see that pretty soon, so just keep on watching. So right after you're done twisting one part, you're gonna twist the other part. So this is what I meant by they had some little strands, so I didn't have to like find it difficult to like secure the ends. So this is how you're just gonna be passing it through, just like a cross kind of section. This is basically just a lazy girl hairstyle. If you're that kind of person that I just want to do something very easy and quick, then this video is definitely for you. So this is basically it. This is just all you're gonna be doing until you're done, until you get to the end, and then you just want to tuck that in. And also I'm gonna be making use of my bobby pin to just secure that properly, and that is basically it. Very easy go-to hairstyle. If you're looking for a go-to hairstyle that is easy, that won't take you less than 2 minutes, then this video is definitely for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and thank you to all my returning subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much. Kindly hit that subscribe button and like this video if you haven't, and I'll see you lovelies on my next post. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. You guys are the best. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on my next post. Bye.